Ah, 2 decades. The Blue £1 billion Bottle Job Club. How to finish and bury a football club inside 2 seasons. Cole Palmer FC has been absolutely slapped silly and dog walked around the Emirates. I think I had more super chats on the watch along than they had fans left on stoppage time. And big up to the ones who did stay, by the way. Despite getting absolutely toyed, at least they've seen some good football this season, because they've been dog awful all season and been winging it. And that tonight, Jez, was much required, especially after we got through, I wouldn't say by the skin of our teeth against Wolves, but it wasn't convincing, especially after getting knocked out by Bayern and losing to Villa. We got the win against Wolves. But tonight, I predicted 3-0, but that could have been 33-0. They were rubbish. Make sure you sub to Jez, Arsenal History and More. We're going to be live straight after Matty's fan cam, which is after this. Check out Kenny's. He was at the game. He's over the moon. Check out mine. Jez, the stage is yours. 5-0. Old school scarf. Old school performance.
Yeah, it was proper, man. Proper. I can't fault a player there tonight at all. Awesome performance. And a little bit of fact, right? Last time we put 5 past the Chelsea was 2011 at their ground, 5-3. You remember that game?
That Percy hat-trick. Yeah, Walcott scored a great goal that day as well.
He did. And then they battered us in 2014, 6-0. Arsene Wenger's game.
That's why I was so rude. That's the only disappointment for me. It should have been 7, Jez.
And then the last time we've put 5 past the Chelsea at our home ground was at Highbury, and that was in April 1979. We won 5-2. There you go. End of story.
There you go. Proper Arsenal history and more, yeah, for all you young bucks in the chat, yeah? Right? Proper Arsenal knowledge from a proper Arsenal fan. Yeah? Carry on. Sorry, Jez.
With my original 1970 scarf that my nan knitted. My nan knitted this.
That is a sick scarf. I can't. So that's one of one.
And I bought those little badges outside.
This is not one of the bottle, guys. This is a special one, guys. This is one of one. There's only one of these on the planet, and Jez is wearing it right now. What a scarf.
Well, I bought all them little badges, and my mum stitched them all on for me, all them little jobbies. Yeah, great game tonight, man. Great. Let's get into it. Great game. Amazing. Yeah, I mean, who knew? Who knew? Kai Havertz. I'm just putting it out there. I'm putting it out there. I said it. Yeah. Jez, you don't know fuck all about Arsenal. There you go. Man, nearly scores a hat-trick. Could have scored a hat-trick. Shame he got taken off, really. But I get it. And well done to Arteta. I see what you did tonight. You were taking players off, thinking ahead for the game Sunday down the lane. And I get that. I get that. And I respect you for that. Fair play to you. And awesome performance. I mean, I was watching that game thinking, who the hell would I give a man of the match to? Well, I've made my decision, right? If you want me to tell you that now, I will tell you.
No. We'll save that for the stream. We'll save that for the stream because we do player ratings on the stream.
Fair enough. I will save that then. But there was a few players in there tonight who got big marks. And I'm going to give Arteta a big mark tonight as well, because I saw exactly what you did and respect for that, you know. And yeah, look, I'm not. We have criticised Arteta for a few years, and we have, and I'm one of the first to say I have. But when he deserves credence and credit, I'll give it to him. And he did that tonight. So fair play to the man. And it was an amazing. Chelsea were an absolute rubbish. They were rubbish, man. And I don't think that's because Palmer wasn't there. I think they were just a shit team. Awful.
They've been winging it, Jez, all season.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Cole Palmer's been battling them out. Yeah, he's been battling them out. I see a stat earlier, yeah, that without his goals and assists this season, they'd be 18th. Yeah, and that stat, whilst it's funny to laugh at, yeah, it's kind of a little bit skewed because they would be playing with 10 men without him. Right? However, they would have another player in that position that maybe gets 3 or 4 GA, 2 or 5, whatever it may be. Yeah, So they might not be 18th, but they'd be right down there. Yeah, and if I'm Cole Palmer tonight, yeah, I'm knocking on that door and I'm saying, I want to get out of here, mate. I'm phoning my agent. I'm saying, out, get me out. I'm too good for this lot. Yeah, because let's be real.
Come to Arsenal.
I'll take him at Arsenal in a heartbeat. He's one player. I'd take Thiago Silva at Arsenal as well. I know he's in his 40s or turned 40 or whatever. That's back up to our two centre backs, and he's got the elite mentality. And he's crying his eyes out at the weekend. You've got their players running around laughing with Man City players. Yeah. His wife's tweeted tonight as well. His wife's on smoke. But anyway, less of that. Yeah. Trossard, again, opens the scoring. Martin Odegaard, for me, that's his best game ever in an Arsenal shirt. Yeah. That was like he was playing against kids, and he is the big kid, and they're 3 years younger. Ben White, yeah, all them Chelsea fans that run their mouth at the bridge about Mudryk meant that cross that went in. Cool. Well, Ben White did a no-look goal then. Yeah, because he meant that as well then. There are 2 goals for Ben White. Yeah, the centre-backs were a little bit shady at times. Yeah. But even Vieira, when he came on, I thought played well. Thomas Partey looked amazing tonight. And that then released Rice further forward to do, and he was great tonight. Yeah, Tomiyasu, he has to start every game if he's fit from now to the end of the season.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Him and Trossard down that left side with Rice being free, with Thomas Partey mopping up. That combination down that left side. Yeah, I know it's Chelsea and they're crap. They couldn't lay a glove on us tonight. Yeah, and Jez, on another night, yeah, Martinelli scores, Jesus lays one off, Kai Havertz lays them off, and we could have been 3-0 up in 20 minutes. Yeah, we could have done double digits tonight, and we've said that a couple of times this season, yeah. But it was like literally we had to win. Yeah, whether it's 1-0 or 5-0 or 10-0, we had to win tonight and put the pressure on Liverpool tomorrow in that Scouse derby, that Merseyside derby. Yeah, and to put the pressure on Man City, who play Thursday. And we've done it. It's a fair play. Because after the last couple of games we've had, 2 losses and then that iffy win, well, it wasn't an iffy win, but a non-convincing win, that tonight was probably the best team we could have played.
Well, look, I did a stream very late last night with a Chelsea fan. Big up to the Wolfie. And I called it. I said, if we've got Partey starting tomorrow, he is a great distributor of the ball. And it will not be all down the right, all down the right, all down the right. He will flick it out to that left. And I said, if we have the starting lineup, which, hey, Arteta, listen to me, big up to Arteta, right? I said Trossard, Havertz, Saka, maybe somebody else, but he did it. And you can see the ball distribution was awesome tonight because it wasn't all on Saka, putting pressure down on him all the time. White was overlapping beautifully. Odegaard was unplayable, in my opinion, tonight. And Partey was giving it out on that left flank, which was releasing Tomiyasu to overlap with Trossard. Who knew? Yeah. What a lovely, lovely ball to Trossard to score that goal. 4 minutes in.
Yeah, Declan Rice. And do you know what I liked about that Declan Rice one? He could have laid that off a little bit earlier for the first goal, but he was so cute with it that he just took a split second. That got the defender to, I think it was the centre back, I think it was Disasi, just to step forward 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres quick, and then Trossard, bang. Yeah, and that goalkeeper was probably their man of the match. Yeah, and he conceded 5.
Yeah.
That's how shit they are.
The thing is, though, to concede like he did for that first goal at the near post, wow. Questionable.
Mate, Kai Havertz tonight, even without, take the goals away, yeah? Right? His link up playing the little cute flicks and this and that, and he looked on it. And we looked like, I don't know what Arteta said to them before kickoff in either half. Yeah, but we looked like we were on, like, you know, when you've got Sky Plus and you fast forward it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or like when you listen to a voice message on 1.5 times speed, you know, on WhatsApp. Yeah. It was like we were just so much quicker to everything. Jackson's lucky he stayed on the pitch as well, but I'm glad he stayed on. Yeah. Because I don't know what's worse, is Barnett, yeah, or his finishing. Yeah. That guy is nicking a living. Mikhailo Mudryk. Yeah. I'm so glad we bought Trossard for half the price. Yeah. Trossard's got 15 goals this season, 2 assists in all comps. Yeah, and he barely plays 90 minutes. I think he's only played 5 games, 90 minutes this season. Yeah, we're going to need him against Spurs. And I'm ultra confident. I know they've had 15 days off, Jez, Yeah, but we're now, after we've got that, sky high confidence. We're 3 clear, sorry, against Liverpool and 4 ahead of City. And now we sit there and we hope for snookers. But Spurs on Sunday, Jez, you confident?
Yeah, I am. I think they're fired up for it. Arteta did the right thing, man. He took the right players off at the right time. And I think they're going to be so pumped up now after winning that London derby. They're going to go on and say, we're coming for you, Spurs, right? Show us what you got and we're going to beat you up big time. And yeah, I'm confident, man. I am confident.
Yeah, same.
Cheers.
Well, listen, make sure you sub to Jez, Arsenal history and more. I'll squeeze it in the title if I can. If not, it'll be in description. We're going to do Matty's fan cam, and then we're straight on a live. Northside's going to join us as well. And we're going to do player ratings on that. We're going to talk about Kai Havertz. I told everyone all week, I said it on the podcast, if he scores, I'll celebrate. I'll say his name. Yeah. And he'll be in the title of my fan cam. So check that out as well. And if we win the league, I'm just watching Odegaard nutmegging Enzo because the game's looped again. Yeah. And if we win the league, yeah, I'll buy a Kai Havertz 29 shirt. How about that? So, yeah, big up to you, Jez. And we're going to get on to player ratings in 10, 15 minutes. Love, layers. Come on. Fuck chill.